Namaste students. In the previous video, we learned what are sets, how you represent the sets and types of set. In this video, we will learn a special kind of set which is called subset. So class, let's start. What is the subset? Class, you take here, suppose it is a set 1, 2 and 3 and B is another set which is 1, 2, 3, 4. Class, if you watch this A set and this B set, you find that all elements of set A are present in B. Class, I told you all elements of set A are present in set B. In this case, when all elements of set A are present in B, A is called subset of B and written as A is subset of B. For the subset, A is subset B and all elements of this set should be present in B. Class, suppose here is 5. Now class, all elements of set A are not present in B, that A is not subset of B and written as A is not subset B. Class, A is class. Now take definition of what is a subset. Let A and B are two sets. If every element of set A is an element of B, then A is called subset of B. Here is written that all elements of set A is present in set B. In this case, A is called subset of B and written as A subset B. Class, and read as A is subset of B. And class, if A is subset, then B is called superset. Now class, take one example. I written here. Now this example, A is 1, 2, 3 and B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can easily see that all element of set A are present in B. That is why A is called subset of B and written as A subset B, where A is called subset and B is called superset. Now class, if we take such type sets, suppose A is AB and B is APQR. So class, all elements of set A not present in set B. That is why A is not subset of B. Now class, subset and superset, you know. Class, some notes are here about the subset. First, every set is subset of itself. It means if you have a set A 1, 2, 3, this means this set is subset of itself. So first you remember every set is the subset of itself. First. Second, empty set, you know, 5, the set which has no element in it. Then empty set is the subset of every set. There are two things. First, every set is subset of every set, and second, empty set is the subset of every set. Now class, one more result is here. You know what are the equal set. When A and B two set such that A, B and B, A subset of B and B subset of A, the result is A is equal to B. Class, when A is subset of B, it means all elements of A present in B, and B subset of A, it means all elements of B present in A. The result is A and B are equal set. It is the important result. When A and B are equal, it means A and B subset, B and A subset to each other. Plus, the total number of subset of finite set having n element is to the power n. Plus, understand this. What is the meaning of this sentence? So class, I written here the total number of subset of a finite set containing n element is to the power n. Class, if you have this set 1, 2 and you have to find out how many subset are here, it is superset and you have to write subsets of here. So number of subsets given by to the power n. What is n? N is the number of element in this set. N is 2. N means the cardinal number of this set. So here there are 2 elements. N is 2. 2 power 2 is 4. It means the number of subset related to this set is 4. Class, if the set is B 1, 2, 3, the number of subset is given by to the power n to the power 3. N means number of elements. This implies 8. It means this set has 8 subsets. So this is the formula by which you calculate the number of subsets. Okay class? Now class, there are 2 types of subset. 2 types of subset are here. First proper and second is improper. Okay class? So what is the proper and what is the improper subset? If the number of elements in subset is less than superset, then subsets are called proper. Whereas the number of elements in subset is equal to number of elements to superset, then subsets is called improper. Class, if the number of elements in subset is less than the superset, then subsets are called proper. Whereas if the number of elements in subset is equal to number of elements in superset, then subset is called improper subset. Okay class? Now let's take one example. Here it is a set 1 and 2. Question says, write down all the subsets of this set. It is a superset and you have to write all the possible subsets. So class, first you calculate how many subsets are there. Here number of subsets, formula you know, to the power n. N means number of elements are there 2, n is 2, it means to the power 2, it means 4. Then this set has 4 subsets. Now subsets are, class, I told you empty set is the subset of every set, here also. So first subset is 5. Okay class? Now class, we take one element first. So first you take 1. Class, it is a set. I write here 2 sets and both are the subset. This is subset because all elements of this set present in A. Then this set is the subset of this. Now class, second element is 2. Write here 2. So one element completed. Now class, look at both elements 1 and 2. Completed. So this set is subset of itself. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 subsets of this set. Plus these 3 subsets are proper because these subsets have number of elements less than superset. Here number of elements 0, here number of element 1, here number of element 1, which is less than the superset. Then 3 sets are called proper, and this set has same number of elements, then it is improper subset. That is why we mark sign here usually this. This is the combined form proper and improper, but we use generally this sign for the subset. Now class, take one more example. Now class, I am taking three elements A, B and C. Question says how many subsets are here. So let's count. So here three elements are here. Formula is 2 to the power n is 3. N is 3, then it is 8. It means this superset has 8 subsets. Now class, subsets start. First subset is 5 because 5 is the subset of every set. Now class, you take one element. First you take A. Okay class. Now the second element, it is B, and now the third. These four sets are the subset. This is subset because all elements of this set present in A. So these four are subset. Now class, one completed, you take two elements A and B. Class, it is also subset because all elements of this set present in A. So two A and B completed. Now AB, now group for A and C. BA same, now BC. So I have completed 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Total is 8. Now let's take all three elements A, B and C. Every set is a subset of itself. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 subsets are here, in which first 7 are proper subset and this is the improper subset. Class, namaste.